Hi and welcome to our 2019 Porsche Carrera S. Come and have a look at this. So straight away, let's come in close here and you'll see this car is done in Carrara White. This is the pearlescent white, so it's a metallic white. Lovely, lovely colour, glistens very well in the sunshine. Straight away moving around here then we've got the satin black Carrera S wheels with the red calipers. All important, the panoramic sunroof. Moving around to the rear of the car there, you're going to see it's got the sports exhaust, the black tail clip tips. Obviously the rear spoiler's up on here now. Moving to the interior of the car, you'll see it's got the Bordeaux leather, multifunction steering wheel, heated seat, sports Chrono Pack. Nicely spec car. This car has covered around about 15,000 miles, 15,700 miles. I think it's a 1969 plate car. On our website today, blind spot recognition, forgot about that one as well. But a lovely spec car, Carrera S in a pearl metallic white paint. Sits well, looks well, Bordeaux interior, pan roof. Come and give us a call at Scott Hardy Automotive. Thank you.